Okay, B, R, start, action. Hello everyone, I'm Rainy. I am a national sales representative for Old Pipe. What is Old Pipe? Old Pipe is based in Taiwan and we produce racks. So we are racks manufacturer and specifically surfboard racks manufacturer as this one that you are seeing now. Now, we are surfers in the first place. So these surfboard racks are produced from surfers for surfers. This is really important for you guys to know as you really want to have really good awareness of the problems that we surfers face every day because of surfing, all right? One thing that is really distinguishable about our brand is that we are highly customizable brand. That means that we customize every single brand for every single worldwide. We have already worked with more than 1,000 surfers in more than 14 countries worldwide. That's actually how I met them in the first place, as I was their first Italian client. And I have, for instance, a Triumph Vaudeville P100, which is really specific. There were no other rack manufacturers in Europe that could make it customizable for me, and I found it. And so here I am working for them. Okay, guys, so here we are back with some really important safety instructions that you want to make sure to follow before you go and have a ride. First one is really important. You have to make sure that the handlebar of your awesome bike has actually groove to turn. Okay, you don't want to bump or hit your surfboard while you're turning left or right. Okay, so it's really important that your wheel is not hit against the tee of your surfboard. All right. Second thing, really important as well that you have enough room for your right foot to set and to lead on the ground. For this purpose, we have created some customizable joints that allow you actually to move the surfboard racks wider or closer back according to how big or how tall you are. All right. Point three, which is also really important, concerns vibrations. You don't want your surfboard to vibrate a lot. You want your surfboard to be as stable as possible on your racks. For that, we have designed some specific adjustable clamps that allows you to tighten even further your surfboard on your racks. And this is really made to avoid vibrations. Point four is kind of related to point three and concerns this cords, these spongy cords. Now, these cords are also really important. They're actually essentials as you really have to make sure that they are well attached onto the flakes, okay, that you will find on the racks, because you don't want to hit something bumpy, especially with very bad or poor weather conditions or road conditions, and your surfboard will actually, fall off the ground. So you really want this to be attached and heads all the time. Once you have ensured that all these instructions are applied, then you can also allow yourself to accelerate a little bit because these surfboard racks are tested until 100 kilometers per hour on highways. So that's really safe for use. Of course, guys, respect the limit and drive safe. Okay, guys, we have a lot of other products, but I believe that this is a great start. And if you're a surfer, you definitely have this. It's a game changer. You don't have to worry about parking because you can just ride there with your two wheels and everyone is gonna look at you because they are really classy. Bye, guys.